Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add wallets to your existing Metamask wallet. Okay, you can do it to your other wallets. If you've got Metamask or you've got like Ruby or you've got Sol or these other hot wallets, you can do exactly the same. But when you actually come into the platform, you download the Metamask wallet. Okay, I've done a video on this. Okay, in the actual my link tree. Okay. What you need to do when you do download it on your system or your phone or your computer, it comes in with like a BNB wallet address anyway, which is a BNB blockchain. But you need to add USDT on it as well. So I'm going to quickly go through a little video on showing you how to do this. Hi guys, it's Matt Feast. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you add a wallet address to an existing Metamask wallet. If you go for the videos before, it just shows you how to install the Metamask wallet. When it comes in, you will get a wallet which is got a BNB address in it anyway. Okay, that's just standard, but you need to add a USDT wallet address in there as well, to put the funds in. Because the BNB is good for gas fees, okay, and your USDT pays a deposit into Bitnest, yeah. So what you need to do, because you need to download the actual wallet itself as per the video in the link tree. If I go to my MetaMask here, okay, automatically you'll have your BNB wallet address in it anyway. It just comes in as default because you're running a BNB network into Bitnest, okay? Because obviously it's PancakeSwap and Binance. Binance who actually owns PancakeSwap basically. So it's going to be BNB, all right? But you need to add a USDT address. So what you need to do is when you go into your wallet, there is a button, okay, which is go to tokens. There's a button there, tokens button or nav bar. Okay, click on that. Then you go to here on the right hand side. You see three little dots. Click on the little dots and say imports. You click on imports and then you name the token. Say in this case USDT. Okay, so you put USDT. What will happen is it will automatically find the crypto, okay, the USDT. Okay, this one here is an example. All right, this one here. Okay, which is just go for this one. Sorry, this one here. This is on the BNB network. Click on that. Then you go next. I won't add it because it's on my wallet already. Okay. So basically, you've got your BNB address, which is standard, and then you just added the USDT one. Okay. Now you need to fund your wallet. Okay. So the address is up here. That's the address. That's multiple addresses. Okay. So when you go to your exchange where your funds are on your wallet, you send it to this address, even if it's BNB. Okay. Use the same address. Okay. But say $5. That pay for your gas fees. Okay. And also USDT, okay, it's the same address, but make sure with the USDT it's on the blockchain of BP20. Very important. You don't want to send it on the wrong network because you'll lose your funds, okay? They're very, very important, all right? And also, when you want to make a deposit inside the Bitnest platform, what you need to do, you've got a loop. There's a little button here that says loop, okay? Then you have contracts, 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, 28 days. I go on for 28 days, you get more return on investment, okay? So for example, I've done 28 days, and you put, once your wallet's funded, it'll automatically read it, okay? Because you've got to link it all up. You just press a few buttons and it's linked up, okay? It's very, very basic. And then you decide what contract you want, all right? And within the contract, these are the percentages. So 1 day is 0.4%, 7 days is 4%, 14 days is 9.5%, 28 days is 24%. Okay, that gives you the figure and the return on investment. Okay, all right. But going back to my one, when I first started, I started with $20 as a tester, and then I did a video for a couple of my members, my existing members from my other businesses. I did a little video and I showed them what to do. Okay, so these are little the actual starter ones. I like to test the water out first, but I like the business so much. I like the transparency, and I like the way that the business is run, because it's got no CEO, and and also we're paid by the blockchain. And I was quite impressed with the Binance. I love Binance, and it's the biggest exchange in the world. And we and with PancakeSwap, the system is linked to that, and I like the concept of it, because at the end of the day, there's no rug pull. It's impossible to get a rug pull because we're paid by the blockchain. But you're going to have to watch the videos to understand the situation. If I talk about it now, and I don't really want to do a long video. It's a bit long-winded, but please watch the videos in the link tree. Meanwhile, going back to my deposits, I paid $2,100 eventually, and I made $604 profit. I'm going to withdraw in 22 hours, okay? And at the end of the day, I do refer people. I've only just started referring people in the last 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, it's very easy. If you want to refer, you don't have to. It's up to you. I do, because it just generates a bit more income. When you go to home, it gives you invite a friend. You click on that button there, and it gives you a referral link there. All right, just gives you an idea. Okay. Meanwhile, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you do struggle, please reach out to me. It's got more information on my link tree. And my name is Matt Feast, and have a great day. And thank you very, very, very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it.